Hey, what's up? It's Ike Pause here. I'm in the middle of creating a digital asset, something I can sell online. I want to create a t-shirt and I want to create a sticker. To do that, I'm going to use crispy sticks. And I really love the pixel art vibe, that kind of pixel style. So I got this pig I created. All I had to do is put in pig, and I have a plethora of different art styles I can use here, as you can see. And I went with pixel art because I like it. And I'm going to save this one to my gallery so I can work with it later, add some text and some funny quotes or whatnot. But I want to create another one. So I'm gonna go here. As you can see, my prompt is still saved, pig, pixel art. I'm going to click generate again. And then from here, this is going to change into a different pig. See, like that. That pig looks devious. Isn't that a devious looking pig? Actually, I like this one a lot. I'm going to click add to gallery, and I'm going to go to gallery, and yeah, how do you spell devious? I'm a horrible speller. Okay, I guess I'm not a horrible speller. Devious. I'm going to take that, copy that. I'm going to go in here. You even see that? I'm going to go in here and check this out. I'm going to click edit. Like that. Perfect. Okay, now I got this devious looking pig. I'm going to add text, and I'm going to put in here devious, like that. Maybe I'm going to change the font. What's maybe Della? That's good. And I want the inside to be black, and I want the outside to be white. And I want to increase the size of this thing. Check this out. Boom. Make it nice and big. Like this. Devious. And maybe give it a little bit of a curve. Okay. Like curve it like that. Yeah. Like that. Move the slider on over until you're happy. Just a little bit of a curve. I don't want too much of a curve, mind you. Just a little bit. Like that. Yeah, actually keep it right up there. And I'm going to save this. Go down here, click save. And after that, I'm going to create an outline automatically so that devious is clearly seen, and my customer can actually put it on a sticker, actually make it a sticker or put it on a t-shirt. And I'm going to click apply outline, and it's going to create an outline around everything. You see? Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that pig. Devious. And that's how you create an amazing product. Either a t-shirt, a printable sticker, even posters if you want, with crispy sticks. Again, this is pixel art. There's a ton of other different types of art styles that you can use. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Happy to help. I'm Mike Pause, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you for more. Ciao.